In this video, I will show you step by step how to log in ICBC Bank, Industrial and Commercial Bank of China. Go to Google and search this keyword. After that, you will see this page from here. From this page, click User Login, click Personal Banking, this option. After that, you will see login with your number and your usernames and a password. So you have two options, your username and your password. After that, when you click password here, guys, click verification codes. This is verification codes P3CD, and then click I have agree and click login. If you forget password, just click this option here. So friends, this is how you can do. This is for forget your password, and then you can also log in with your app. Just download this app on App Store or Play Store. Just click download this app and you can start using this app without any problem. I hope this guide helpful for you friends. Don't forget to give me a like and share this video.